Saturated fats in milk, harmful or beneficial? Milk is a natural source of saturated fats, but it also contains a host of other nutrients beneficial for health, such as calcium, vitamin D, and potassium. These nutrients contribute to bone health, muscle function, and overall well-being. Interestingly, some studies have suggested that full-fat dairy products might be associated with a lower risk of obesity and metabolic syndrome compared to low-fat or skim options. For example, a study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Primary Healthcare found that middle-aged men who consumed high-fat dairy products had a lower risk of central obesity over 12 years compared to those who consumed low-fat dairy. Potential benefits of saturated fats in milk. Saturated fats can aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Consuming milk with its natural fat content may enhance the bioavailability of these essential nutrients. Full-fat dairy products may promote greater satiety compared to their low-fat counterparts. This can potentially aid in weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. While the link between saturated fats and heart disease is still debated, some studies suggest that dairy fats might possess unique properties that mitigate cardiovascular risk. For instance, milk fat contains specific fatty acids like conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which has been shown to have potential heart protective effects. While emerging evidence suggests that saturated fats in milk may not be as detrimental as once believed, it's crucial to approach this topic with nuance. Not all sources of saturated fats are created equal. The context in which they are consumed matters significantly. Whole foods like milk provide a matrix of nutrients that work synergistically, which might explain why full-fat dairy could be beneficial despite its saturated fat content. Moreover, individual differences such as genetics, lifestyle, and overall dietary patterns play a significant role in how our bodies respond to saturated fats. What works for one person might not be suitable for another. When considering whether to include full-fat dairy in your diet, it's essential to evaluate your overall eating pattern. A diet rich in whole foods, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, alongside moderate consumption of full-fat dairy might offer a balanced approach to nutrition. Additionally, it's wise to consult with healthcare professionals or registered dietitians who can provide personalized dietary advice based on your health needs and goals. The debate over saturated fats in milk is far from settled. While traditional guidelines have cautioned against these fats due to their potential impact on heart health, emerging research paints a more complex picture. Saturated fats in milk may not only be less harmful than previously thought but could also offer certain health benefits when consumed as part of a balanced diet. As with many aspects of nutrition, moderation is key. By considering the latest scientific evidence and tailoring your dietary choices to your individual needs, you can enjoy milk's nutritional benefits without undue concern about its saturated fat content.